So today I'm going to be a nature photographer. Let me explain. So I found this flower garden near me, which I have been to only once before, which was like with other people. Never been to by myself. I might get lost, but hopefully I don't. I'm going to go there today and take some good photos. Rate it in the comment section below. Bye. Not ready. I think I'm going the right way. Hopefully. Yeah. In the Google Maps, there was like a car parking lot. By the way, I don't have internet, so I just took a screenshot. And there was like a car parking lot. I found one of that, and then I can like turn. Hopefully, I'm going the right way. Ooh. It's like, not this part of the lake, but in another part of the lake, there's like so much crayfish. Probably going the right way because when I came here, then I remember going through a road like this, the one that I'm at right now. There's like construction back there, but yeah. So I think if I like go straight, it's supposed to be there. I'm going to look at the screenshots because I might be wrong. Because I remember like missing up here a lot the last time I came. So yeah. So Google Maps and the screenshots that I took, I think that's telling me to go straight. I am not sure. Pretty sure. Yeah, I'm here. There. That's the entrance. I'm almost there. Let's see if I will be able to remember the way back. I'm going to still look at the screenshots, but it's going to be a little bit harder, I think. And yeah, I thought it would take me I thought it would be harder to find this place. It was pretty easy. I mean, because I had the Google Maps, still. Yeah. 2 different entrances. Last time I came through this entrance. So let's see. Okay. Free. I got water. Okay. So now I arrived at the destination. So now I'm supposed to find good places to take photos of. Oh, this place is so nostalgic. I have to be quiet though, because there's so many old people just sitting here. So, bye. I think there's some good flowers. Let me go there. I'm gonna take some photos of that. I'm gonna take some photos of that flower. Yeah, first flower accomplished. And I think I see sakura. Oh my god, that would be so good. Ooh, bee. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What should I do? It flew. Okay, good. Anyways, the flower was somewhere around here. Here. Took a few photos. I think I'm gonna go to the sakura place now. Yeah, there's some people there. Lavender. Ooh, beautiful. Let's go for a little hike. I did hear that there was a bamboo forest here, so I think this is it. Here. Beautiful. This is a huge bamboo forest. I don't have to hike all the way to this hill. Oh, whatever. Good workout. Ooh, ooh. This place is beautiful. Can't believe there's not only sakura and flowers, it's also a humongous bamboo forest and a tree. Oh, these stairs are so steep. Ooh, nice. Let's see. Does it go any more higher? Smells so good here. Fresh. Oh, what is that? I think I see something. Oh, it's just some wood. But wood is still nature, and look at that. Huge wood piece. Oh. I could probably take some good photos of this. I don't know. There's so much place, or this thing. I'll see. So I took photos of this. And, oh wait. I can take some pretty good photos of this. Took pretty good photos. Ooh, is it raining? I don't think so. Okay, I took some photos of the logs. Ooh, I feel like I'm just gonna like come out and scare me from nowhere. There's like so many bees and ants here. And like flies. Okay. Coming down here. I don't know. I think I should take more photos of the bamboo. There was literally someone down there staring at me dead in the eye. That was so scary. Like down there somewhere. What's that place? Whatever. Taking my new pics on. I'm done here. Oh yeah, my hair literally looks so weird. Yeah. Bye. Okay. I'm done. I'm going to I want to talk here because silence and it's like the birds chirping and stuff. It's beautiful here. And there's no one. But okay, so I'm done taking the photos, but the photos are not finished. I'm going to edit them. I'm not going to edit this too much because raw. Because I don't want it to like be edited that much. They don't look that good. But you guys can see it on my Instagram, the photos, and I'll also show the photos. But okay, so now I'm gonna go back home. Hopefully I don't get lost on the way. Yeah, I'm gonna review the photos at home. Yeah, nothing else. Okay, bye. Alright, look at the scenery over here. There we go, let me check. I got my beanie. I got, oh yeah, my phone. I got my, see, ooh, mask, fake AirPods Pro, power bank. And yes, this is fake AirPods Pro. It's not real. Got my wallet. I got my water. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the place that I came from because I don't know any shortcuts. But this place is nice. Take good photos. Especially this like mountain. Like it's not that big of a mountain. But it is still pretty big. Here. Nice. Hopefully recording is allowed in here. I forgot about that. I'm gonna stop recording. I got a yeah, I don't think recording was allowed in there because when I recorded, everyone was like staring at me dead in the eye, especially the employees there. But yeah, I'm going to when I see a convenience, I need to go there, buy something because I'm so hungry. Yeah, see you guys at the convenience. There was space because my house was there, and that's the barber that I used to always go to. Anyways, yeah. So there, if you go there's like a supermarket. I'm gonna get something. I haven't been to the supermarket in 3 years. Cause yeah, this is where my old house was. Oh my god, it's so nostalgic. Being here is so nostalgic. Like, ooh. Those are so insane. Oh my god. I remember this bus. And also, when you ask for like a plastic bag, then they put like a thing, like a paper in it. It's the same. This neighborhood is so nostalgic. Okay. Oh, my old teacher used to live here. Ooh. Went to sit somewhere, eat a little bit, and then go. Yeah. I remember, like, kind of like right before I moved out, they just built this glasses store. Yeah. I'm going to go to the park. Like the one like in front of my old house. I'm going to just like sit there and eat. There's no Central Park. I went through it. I don't know what's recorded because there was like so many babies and like kids, like a lot. Like I was kind of surprised because like before it was mostly like old people. I mean not old people, like older grades, like kids in like grade school. Oh my god, yeah. So there was no like kids in grade school, but now not anymore. There was like none of those kids were from grade school. I remember there was this like famous soccer player, a Japanese soccer player. I met him. He was like one of my friends that played in a park. One of his like brother or cousin. Like, I met him and yeah. And he claimed to be a professional soccer player, but like I don't really know if he was. Well, anyways, I'm almost at my house. I'll see you guys there where I'm going to review the video. Yeah, bye. Okay, I reviewed the photos. Now I posted on Instagram. Here, if you guys go to my Instagram, you guys can see it there. I'm not gonna have the photos in this video because I tested out, it was pretty low quality. If you guys go to my Instagram, then you guys can see it there. The Sakura photos, I only posted one that was outside, like when I was coming back to my house, because the other ones, it was not that good photo. I did not like it that much, but I had other good photos like the lavender, the other flower. Yeah, check those out. Yeah, my Instagram will also be in the link in the description, so you guys can go there. Well, thank you guys for watching. Consider subscribing. You guys can unsubscribe anytime. Yeah.